Crockpot Chicken and Stuffing. Start with spraying your crockpot with canola spray. Start laying your chicken pieces in the bottom of your crockpot. I like to use chicken tenders. You can use chicken breasts. Sprinkle your stuffing evenly over the top. I like to use 2 boxes. You can use 1 if you want less stuffing. In a bowl, start adding your cream of chicken, your sour cream, and your chicken broth. Mix to combine. And then pour this mixture evenly over the top of your stuffing. You want all of your stuffing covered completely. You don't want any parts of it exposed. Cover and cook on high for 3 to 4 hours, low for 5 to 6 hours. While it's cooking, start gently just pulling away the mixture from the side of your crock pot, allowing that sour cream mixture to get down the sides a bit. If it looks like your stuffing's a bit dry, add some more chicken broth and then recover it evenly with that sour cream mixture so that all of your stuffing is covered. Once it's all done, you want to just give it a good mix. Start breaking up those chicken pieces. They're going to break real nice and easy. If it looked like you needed some more chicken broth, you can go ahead and add some more of that as well. Give it a good mix. And then serve that with some yummy gravy. You're going to love this.